It's all wrong. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything after the beep. Beep. Now then, one person laughing really hard at that one. It's not just me this time. I've heard these referred to as a PEZ dispenser that's in trouble, a timeout dispenser, a Shy dispenser, but it's backwards on the card. The factory's not supposed to let these out. Everything's supposed to be, proper right here where PEZ is perfect to read. The card matches the dispenser, and the dispenser is supposed to be facing around. But this is an older one that I found just recently up at PEZomania. I was going through a bunch of stuff and happened to run across this. Thought I'd make a video. So this is a PEZ dispenser that is reversed on card. I also have a video of a few other errors if you want to check those out. But here's another one. So until next time, it's okay, you can watch this.